So your Linux server, you see it seems to be taking too long to boot. You suspect your Linux server it's taking too long to boot. I had a customer recently with this problem. I'm not going to discuss the details of that customer specifically because that's private, of course, but I can share how I managed to find out what was causing that boot delay. Come on. I got you. Come on, come here. So yeah, so I have here a very generic server. If you follow them, if you subscribe to my channel, you've seen this server before. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button right now, please, and like it. And this is how I fixed it. So the server was fine for the longest time. Then the server decided to take too long to boot. So what did I do? Well, if you have a systemd-based system, which you should have probably these days, they are most of them are. You just do this systemd analyze. Okay, this is going to tell you how much time it took for the server, that specific server to boot. In this case, this server has no issues in that department, so it boots fine. So it doesn't show any issues in terms of too much of a delay on the boot. So that's fine in my case. But if you see this takes 1 minute, 2, 3, well, you decide what's too long for your server and you want to make things better. After that, you can do the blame option. So you just type blame. Sorry, and this is going to show you which service or feature took the longest at the last boot. So in this case, I have some things that I could disable the kdump and I will save some seconds. I could disable the DNF make cache and I could save some seconds. So I just need to analyze the output of this, see which ones I can actually tinker with and optimize and get safer or shorter boot times. So you do the analyze, you see if it's acceptable or not, and you can do the blame, systemd analyze blame, systemd-analyze blame, and this is going to show you in growing in from the longest to the shortest, the services and applications that took each specific time in order to get the server to boot. So after that, you just analyze, you check and see which ones you can tinker with or just stop or kill, whatever. That's a subject for another video. But if you do the blame thing and you also do the systemd analyze without any options, check the manual, because the manual page has loads of examples. So the main page is basically a big example page that you can check and see more examples on how to use this trick to optimize your server. So by doing so, you can then explore further the man page. You have lots of examples. The first time I checked the man page, I was actually disappointed because I went to the example section and it kind of had too little examples and not that useful. Then I took my sweet time and I checked and I went back to the man page and I just figured it out that the whole man page, it's made of examples. So I was crying a river for no reason, because I have a shitload of examples here that I can use to optimize my server, get my server better boot times, to see if there are any issues at boot that I can fix, and I can get a more efficient boot process and a quicker boot time in my server. So I had a customer recently telling me that the server was, without any apparent reason, just taking too long to boot, and there was no obvious culprit at their end. So I just logged in and I checked the blame, and I saw a couple of services that were not critical, but they were taking way too long to server to boot. So we managed to work a workaround and set a workaround. Now the servers boot at the expected pace, and they are fine. And all of this by using built-in tools built-in Linux. So I didn't have to install something extra, something from the outside world, some specific special or kind of obscure repo. I just went and just used the systemd analyze tool and got the expected results. So I hope this I hope this is helpful for you as much as it was helpful for me. I hope you can make use of this. I hope this makes your life better. Like, subscribe, and comment. It actually helps the channel to grow. I'm this close to getting to the monetization process done. I just need a few more subs, a few more likes, and a few more comments. Hope you're there for me. Hope you help me, and I'll help you too also. One last time this video, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.